Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sally. If you guys haven't been here, welcome. We love everyone. So for today's video, I'm going to do a huge Ulta haul that I got for the 21 days of beauty, which sadly already passed. RIP, it did pass about a week or a couple weeks ago. And I do want to show you everything that I got from my beauty VIP. No, not VIP. Oh my god, we're in the wrong store. The 21 days of beauty sale. I believe I am a diamond member at Ulta, which means that I get like extra discounts sometimes on like specialty items. So some of these items are specialty items that you might not have seen in like the regular 21 days of beauty. I picked up as much as I can because the cool thing about the Ulta sale was that it was in my birthday month, and on my birthday month I did get an extra, I think it was 3 points, 3 times the points on everything. So I got a little bit of cash back, which is really nice. So let's go ahead and see what I got for the 21 days of beauty. Okay, so first things first, I wanted to start off with one of the biggest items that I did purchase. Actually, I purchased 2 perfumes. Why? Why did I purchase 2 high-end perfumes? Well, let me tell you, because they were half off. Because they were half off. This is normally like $100. I think it was on sale for like 40, 45. And this is the Lancome La Vie est Bella. La Vie est Belle. Is it Belle or Bella? No, it's Belle, right? La vie est belle. I don't know. Anyone speak French? I'm guessing this is translating to life is beautiful, because in Spanish it's la vida está bella, which is life is beautiful, and this is la vie está belle. So I'm thinking life is beautiful. This is by Lancome. This is a beautiful scent, and I was like, yes, I'm getting this because I do have a mini and I wanted to upgrade to the bigger one. I'm using this like every day since I got it. I'm obsessed with this scent. Don't have the notes. I don't really have the notes, so I'll pop the notes on screen. This is a beautiful, I think it's like a florally scent. Sweet floral. It smells like a counter at Macy's. Like you're literally entering Macy's and you smell this. I feel like I'm at Macy's. It's literally the like, it's like 11 p.m. but I don't care. I'm gonna go to sleep in this scent. It is so divine and delicious and sweet. It is just so freaking good. It's so it's so sweet, florally, and gourmand at the same time. It's just delicious. It's delicious. The second one that I got was the Acqua di Gio Eau perfume. I think this was on the last day of the 21 days, and this was like a diamond exclusive or something like that. And this smells like you're on the ocean. Like you're on the ocean. It literally smells so good. So this is the Acqua di Gio by Giorgio Armani. I know it's a little hard to tell, but look at how beautiful the bottle is. The crystal like blue cap, you just open it up. So fresh. Like this smells like you're at the sea, but not like fishy smell, like a very fresh, like there's trees everywhere but you're by the sea and you smell the sand kind of thing. It smells so good, so fresh. I want to say this is more like for the springtime, for the daytime, every day. And then this one by Lancome, that the one that I just showed you, is like for nighttime and like for date nights, but this can be your day. This is very fresh, very salty, sea-like you're walking down the beach. I'm gonna put the notes up here so it can give you more context, but I freaking love this and I'm so happy that I got it. So yeah, so I really like this. I thought it was good until half off of $100 perfume. Oh, yes. I also picked up these beauties. I got a beauty blender in a very pretty pinky color. I haven't tried these. I've never tried a beauty blender. Isn't that crazy? Not crazy. I'm gonna tell you guys how they are later on. I just don't see the hype for the price. Like this is 20 bucks, but you know it was half off for the 21 days of beauty. So I picked it up because it was 10 bucks and I was like, okay, it's more like drugstore prices. So I picked it up so I could try it. It looks very fluffy. Like this, I don't know if this is the normal one. It says the Beauty Blender Bubble Makeup Sponge. This is the bubble. So it was 10 bucks. I picked it up, and I also got these. Ever since they came out, the Benefit blushes, I got the one in Butterfly and the one in Crystal. Ever since they came out, I've been wanting to get these, and I'm so happy I did, because I'm wearing Crystal, right? I think it's Crystal, this very pinky peachy blush. It has like gold shimmer reflex in it. It's just very beautiful, very pretty. I like the reflex to it. This is Butterfly. This is very orange. It also has glitter reflex in it, gold glitter reflex. And I honestly don't even, oh crap, I went into Crystal, not Butterfly. Oh my bad. Hold on, let me do this finger. So this one is Butterfly. It's very orange, but on my skin tone, since I'm a little more tan than like my hands, it looks so beautiful. It just gives like a nice glow, nice dewy glow. So I really like these two. I like how compact they are, and they're a good size to like last you a while. They were half off, so I think they came out to like $16 instead of the regular like 32. So I was like, heck yes, I'm gonna grab two, because these were the most beautiful colors I think they were there, and I'm so happy about that. Happy. I also got the Maracuja Juicy lip. I took it out of its packaging because I've been wearing it. This is in the color Peachy Beige. I also got the color Primrose, but it's in one of my makeup bags. I don't know, for work or at my boyfriend's house, but I got two of them. So I got this Peachy Beige color, and then I also got Primrose, so it looks more pink, so it looks kind of more like the blush in a way. I know I'm not gonna do it. I have another lip gloss on. I freaking love these things. Ever since I got it, I like opened it up and I was like, oh yes. It does plump up your lips. It leaves like a small tingle, but it's not so harsh of a tingle. It's more of a minty, not a spicy. You know the Fenty Beauty Heat Gloss Bombs? Those are spicy. Those actually burn. The Extreme Plumping Injection by Too Faced, those hurt, okay? They do. I can tolerate them. They're not that bad for me, but I eat a lot of spicy food, so I think I'm just used to it. But they do hurt. This one does not hurt. So if you want a plumping effect where it doesn't hurt, get the Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump. I highly recommend this. It is like an actual pump. Just don't pump too much because you can't push out the product, and the product is very emollient. So the product it oozes out basically. It's so emollient, so like finely milled that it kind of oozes out, but it's a beautiful color, beautiful shine. Look at how that light grabs the shine. Like, it's such a beautiful formula, and it does last a while, and I freaking love it. So I grabbed two of these. I feel like I grabbed more stuff, but I need to look through my phone on my orders and see what else I grabbed, because I feel like I grabbed a lot more stuff than what's in here, and I don't see the other stuff. I feel like I grabbed stuff almost every day. Did I? What's just this? Okay. I swear I was shopping more, but I think it's just because I've been at Ulta so much lately. The last order that I did that's not in here is the one from my video, the one that TikTok influenced me. Okay, also from the 21 Days of Beauty, I did get the Idole Paris by Lancome mascara. I am wearing it on my bottom lashes. I don't know if you could tell. They are on there. They're on my bottom lashes right now. So if you can look at my bottom lashes, that's this mascara. I haven't tried the waterproof version. I've only tried the regular version. This is the waterproof. I do like the wand. It is a plasticky wand. It is curved, so it does grab onto your lashes very well. It separates them, it lengthens them, and it's not clumpy. It is a good mascara. It was half off. I should have got more than one. I kind of regret that I didn't get more than— I have so many mascaras right now though. I kind of regret that I didn't get more than one, but I freaking love this. This has 360 micro blisters, whatever that means. I think it means hair, little, oh my god, what is it called? The rubber bristles. No clump. It does not clump. Lifting volumizing mascara. Yep. I freaking love it. Love that mascara. I also picked up this eyeshadow palette. This was not like on sale for the 21 Days of Beauty, but I've been eyeing this palette for a while, and it is by JCat Beauty. It is Dia and Noche palette. This is a 15 eyeshadow palette. Look at how beautiful these colors are. Very jewel tone. This was $7. This was $7, and the formula of this eyeshadow, I'm wearing it on my eyes right now. I'm wearing it on my eyes. Look at how beautiful. I'm wearing a little bit of this blue, a little bit of this— they don't have any like names. A little bit of this blue, a little bit of this like peachy gold color. I think the camera doesn't give it justice. They're a lot brighter on my side, but like, let me just show you these shimmers. Like, this gray one is like a gray green reflect. I don't know if you could see it. Look at that. It's like gray, green, blue reflex. Look how beautiful that shimmer is. This palette was $7. Look at this silver. Look at this silver. Do you see that silver? Do you see that silver? Do you know how many high-ends cannot perform like this? Silver can. Like, you see that silver? Look at that reflect. Look at that. Look at the reflect. Look at that reflect. $7. This one's the gold one. Look at the gold. Look at the gold. I mean, it's a dream. This palette is a dream. It has blues, it has greens, it has reds, shimmers, champagne, purple, blue, taupey colors, a lighter color for your inner corner. Like, it is so good. I keep it at work. I do use this every day on the regular. I mean, like, look at— it's a $7 palette. $7 palette. It is better than a lot of my high-end palettes, and that is saying a lot. Like, I honestly, if this came out in different colors, like a lot of lighter colors, pinky colors, orange colors, I think I would just stick to this formula because this formula is really good. Like, the shimmers are really good. The mattes blend beautifully. I do have the matte on. I have the taupey color. I think I have this orange and this taupey color all around my lid. Love this. The rest of the stuff that I picked up is not from the 21 Days of Beauty, so I hope you don't mind. I did add a little extras to my orders. I got the Dewy Set by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is my favorite setting spray. I am using it right now. It does just leave the skin very dewy, very fresh. It does not leave it matte. So if your skin is very dry, like very dry, I highly recommend this setting spray. Whenever you don't want to feel like a powdery mess or your face is super dry, and no matter how much like foundation or moisturizer you use, you still seem to end up dry and like your makeup sucked in, use this. Just trust me, just try it. They have a mini, which I picked up too. I picked up two. I got the mini for my at work because sometimes I feel so dry at work, and I think it's the air conditioning. The air conditioning at home, I mean at work, is crazy. I get this, spray it all over your face. It makes it so nice. The best thing about this is the mister. It is so fine. Look at this, look at this. Hold on, that wasn't a good one. Like, it's so fine. Oh, it feels so good, and it smells really good. And this is the best combo with the Dewy Luminous foundation that they have by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Like, I literally do not use any other setting spray other than this. I don't trust any other setting except for the Urban Decay All Nighter, but that's if I'm going out. But other than that, I just use this. It's just those two. Like, I used to use e.l.f. I used to use like Huda Beauty. I would use so many different stuff, and now I'm just using that. That's all I'm using. I also got the Tropic Glow Tree Hut Sugar Scrub. This smells like a dream. Like a coconut tropical vanilla drink. Oh, it smells so good. It smells identical to the Boom Boom Cream by Rio de Janeiro. If you know the Boom Boom Cream and you love that scent, get this. I'm going to be trying this out in my next shower, and I am so obsessed. I also got the Low Shaving Oil, which I actually ran out of, and I actually really like it. So if you guys, ladies, if you use shaving cream, switch to oil. This is a Tropical Glow shaving oil. I think this is better. It leaves it more smooth for your legs. I don't think it irritates it as much as like shaving cream, or if you don't use any shaving cream, just try an oil. I think you're gonna get your mind changed. The oil is really good. And it also smells just like the Boom Boom Cream. And then I got the LA Girl Shockwave eyeliner in like a very pretty champagne-y color. So that is the eyeliner right there. It's just a very pretty champagne-y color, as you could see. I do have it in my waterline, but I think it already came off because I've been kind of bugging my eyes. My eyes are bugging me a little bit, so I've been trying to scrape it off. My eyes are bugging me because of the lashes. It's not because of the liner. This liner lasts all day. They have them in different colors. I really like the purple one. The teal one, highly recommend. And I think $4 is by LA Girl Shockwave Metallic Eyeliner in the color Lullaby. And highly recommend this. Look at that beautiful, like, even if you want to do like an inner corner highlight, you can just do an inner corner highlight, and it's going to be very beautiful. Okay, and the last thing I got was this, and this is all free goodies. So every week or every 2 weeks, Ulta does this thing where like if you spent like over $80 in an order, and if you're like a rewards member or this and that, you can always get a couple goodies. So let me show you really fast what they are. Well, the battery's gonna die, so let's just do this fast. So you get free items if you're Ulta rewards member, spend more than $80. So let me show you what I got. I got the Bump Eraser by KB First Aid Beauty. Freaking love this thing. Proactive Ultra Moisturizer. I got a really good size of the Hemp Sweet Pineapple Honey Melon moisturizer. Got a Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. I got these are little capsules by Rock. This is the Multi-Correction Hydrating Plump Serum. So my camera battery died. So this quality isn't going to be the greatest compared to the other quality. You're getting iPhone front camera, which is reversed. Awesome. I got this Rock, which I thought this was pretty cool. These are hyaluronic acid serum capsules. So they're like straight up hyaluronic acid in this like capsule like thing. And it's pretty, I'm pretty impressed, honestly, that this is in here. Pretty impressed. Florence by Mills under eye patches. I was like, holy crap, this is so cool. I'm gonna use these. Garnier Micellar Water, which I freaking love this. I like pink one. I haven't tried the blue one. This is for waterproof, all-in-one waterproof mascara, so you can take everything off with like a cotton pad. I do use this. This one's a pretty good size actually too. It's like what Ipsy gives in their bags, and you have to pay for that, and this was free. And look at this bag. Like, this is a nice bag, nice design. It's pretty cute. Mixer Body and Hair Cleanser. Body and hair. I'm gonna give this to my boyfriend. I wonder how it smells. Oh, I tasted it. Oh, that tastes gross. That tastes gross. This is guys, this is men. Oh, that's men. That smells so much like cologne. It's not even good. Look, the little cap landed in my hair. This is for men. This is for men. It smells just like straight up like a Dior cologne. Bye Bloat, digestive enzyme and herb supporting digestive health. Ooh, this is good because I literally bloat. I am allergic to so many things: poultry, chicken, eggs, bell peppers. It sucks. I still eat chicken, but I'm bloated. I will not eat crab because that will break me out in hives, and I will not eat eggs because I feel like I have toxic shock syndrome. Like, my whole body just, I feel like I'm dying. Like, it's so bad. Don't eat eggs. But this is good. Okay. Got the Unseen Sunscreen by Supergoop. I freaking love this. This is clear. It like fills in your pores. I think it's really, really good as like a makeup primer, and I really, really like this sunscreen. Like, I have a full one and I rebuy it all the time. Oh my god, we got the Good Genes by Sunday Riley. This is a lactic acid treatment. It's kind of like a retinol, but not a retinol. It's more of an acid, and it like gets rid of your lines. Like, I have a line right here, and I actually used it the other day, and it got rid of my fine lines that I have on my forehead. I mean, it doesn't last like forever, but it is temporary, and it's a really, really good treatment. Got a setting spray that I've never used. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Stay Spray. This is a pretty good size to like travel with, so I'm gonna try this out. I'm really excited for that. Away Detoxifying Shampoo. I love this thing. It's really, really good. It smells like apples. It smells delicious. I love this thing, and this is expensive, and this is a good like size to travel with. I got a Natasha Denona little eyeshadow. It's like a creamy pink. You can't tell with this lighting, but it's kind of pink. It's a pink champagne, dark pink champagne color. One right there. It looks more bronzy, but on my side it looks more pinky. It's really cool. And this is a really good like size to like, I think this is a normal size pan for Natasha Denona, and that's like saying a lot that it was in here for free. Pretty good. Like I said, this bag is good. I know it's neon. I wish it was a different color, like a light pink color. It would have been really pretty, but I like this material because you can literally just like wipe it and it rubs stuff off. I got the shave butter for face and body. Give this to my boyfriend. It's a shave butter, Dion's. I think he'll use this actually. I'm glad that they put guy stuff in here, you know, it's not just girl stuff. It have some guy stuff. Glow tonic. I've never tried this, and I've been wanting to try the Pixie Glow tonic. Cool. The Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. I've also been wanting to try this. And then the little tiny Tula Skincare 24/7 Hydration Triple Hydro Complex Dry Night Serum. So it's a night serum by Tula. So that was everything that I got for the 21 days of beauty. Everything is behind me or like over here. I think my favorite thing so far that I've actually gotten for the 21 days of beauty is this blush. Like, this is the one that I'm wearing. It is the Kristoff. Shoot, I just broke it. I hope it didn't break. Please don't break. Please don't break. Oh, it didn't break. I broke, but it didn't break. Okay, Krista, highly recommend. I highly recommend these blushes. If you haven't picked it up or try it, do try them on those perfumes. Those perfumes smell so good, so freaking good. Let me know what you think. My name was Sally. Thank you so much for coming. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't already, go ahead and click that like button, click the subscribe, because you know you want to stay here with the Sally family. If you do like these types of videos, hair videos, clothing hauls, fashion, makeup tutorials, I do a lot of hauls and unboxing. So if you do like that type of content, go ahead and click that subscribe button and click the little notification bell before you leave so you can be notified of all my future uploads, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.